Active voice and passive voice are two important ways to structure sentences in English. Choosing the right voice helps make your communication clear and effective. Understanding both will improve your writing and speaking skills. Active voice means the subject performs the action. The chef cooks dinner. Here, chef is doing the cooking. Passive voice means the subject receives the action. Dinner is cooked by the chef. Now dinner receives the action of cooking. Look at this active voice example. The chef cooks dinner. The chef performs the action. Now see the passive version. Dinner is cooked by the chef. Dinner receives the action while the chef performs it. Active voice. The chef cooked a delicious meal. She wrote a letter. They built a house. In each case, the subject performs the action. Passive voice reverses this. A delicious meal was cooked by the chef. A letter was written by her. A house was built by them. Let's practice converting active to passive voice. The teacher praised the student becomes the student was praised by the teacher. They cleaned the room becomes the room was cleaned by them. She reads the book becomes the book is read by her. Now convert passive to active voice. The cake was baked by Mom becomes Mom baked the cake. The letter was written by John becomes John wrote the letter. The song was sung by her becomes she sang the song. Here's mixed practice with both voices. Someone stole my phone is active voice. My phone was stolen is passive voice. The children will eat the cake is active. The cake will be eaten by the children is passive. Now identify the voice in these sentences. The book was read by Sarah is passive voice. Sarah reads books every day is active voice. The painting was created by Picasso is passive. Picasso created many famous paintings is active. Here are the answers from the previous slide. The book was read by Sarah is passive voice. Sarah reads books every day is active voice. The painting was created by Picasso is passive voice. Picasso created many famous paintings is active voice. Here are the key points to remember. Active voice means subject does the action and sounds direct and clear. Passive voice means subject receives the action and focuses on the result. Use active voice for strong writing. Use passive voice when who did the action does not matter.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.